Before you begin, remove the rubber feet, the top cover, the small fan, and the large fan. Removal. Note, the thermal module has numbers adjacent to the following 8 screws. Loosen the 8 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the thermal module over the processors in numerical order. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the thermal module and processor components, it may be necessary to move the thermal module from side to side to detach it from the motherboard. Remove the thermal module from the motherboard. Replacement. Note, before replacing the thermal module, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the thermal module is removed. Use alcohol in a soft cloth or an alcohol swab to clean all the thermal grease off of the thermal module and processors. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply the proper amount of thermal grease to the center of the processor cores. Align the mounting screws on the thermal module with the standoffs on the motherboard and position the thermal module over the processors. Tighten the 8 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the thermal module over the processors in numerical order.